Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video Bitcoin is pumping, guys, and it's Monday again, so we're back at it with another TA update, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'm CryptoKid, and let's jump into the charts, guys. This weekend has been crazy. Today's been crazy. We were at the Blockchain Live conference, and we did a very nice trading panel with Da Vinci and Carl, so that was awesome. I'm going to be posting some of that stuff very soon also, and you can check my Instagram also, which is linked in the description below. It was very nice. Now this is what we're looking at on the 4-hourly. So as you can see, we have been forming this descending parallel channel, and yeah, we just broke out of it, of course, with crazy volume, because this has been going on for quite some time on the 4-hourly chart. Now this was beautiful, and if we zoom in a little bit, we also saw a descending triangle which broke to the upside, and a broadening wedge which broke to the upside too on the 4-hourly chart. However, what's happening right now is that we are retesting this wedge that we have been talking about in the last TA update. Now this is crucial because, again, this is a very critical point. If we reverse from here with negative volume, it could cause us to dump back down into this descending channel, because this is a very important level of resistance. However, if we do break back inside, it will be amazing, and I do expect our next level of resistance to be around here. So this is a big level of resistance. In fact, I'm going to move it down just a little bit more so we touch some more wicks over here. So perfect. This is my next level of resistance that I want to come to, and if we draw a Fibonacci retracement, we just touch from the high, the previous swing high, and then we put it with the last swing low, and then boom. Now currently we're retesting perfectly the 38.2 on the Fibonacci, which is a very critical level. So we do have some resistance at this level over here. However, if we do break above this 0.5, the 50 Fibonacci level is also very critical, because as you can see, we do have multiple retests to this level as well. So these are some of the things that I'd be on the lookout for on the price of Bitcoin. Now, if I look at my short-term, my 4-hourly indicators, the MACD is heading to the upside. Now, the stochastic is oversold, but we are still in a bullish trend, so I don't want to comment on that. But if we go to the daily chart, guys, on the daily chart, the stochastic is flipping bullish, so that is pretty awesome, and the MACD is having a bullish reversal very soon. So this is, of course, quite good news. But if we have a look on the macro chart, if I draw a ascending parallel channel, you can see that we had a retest bounce perfectly from this midsection of this channel, if it should be. So if I do this and I move this a little bit more to the upside, there you go. So we are actually we were a bit below this parallel channel. I thought we'd be in the middle, but no. But we are currently retesting the mid-range of this parallel channel also, which is super critical too. So again, that is another level of resistance that we should be on the lookout for. But the last thing I want to mention is that on the daily chart, we had this super amazing reversal candle. This was 2 days ago. Man, I wish I made an update on this too, but again, yeah, that's on me. It would have been beautiful, because this was a perfect reversal doji candle, and if I'm looking at, you know, longer term time frame, like the daily chart, a bit longer term, I really like these reversals. And what I tend to do is I like to open positions as soon as we break above the close of a reversal candle like this. So my position would have been like this, but again, I was away, man. It's pretty devastating. I wish I did an update then, but yeah, it's on me, guys. And I personally like to put my stop loss a little below the wick, right? I like to put it a little below, but usually with a nice reversal candle like this, and with oscillators looking good, we do tend to see a reversal. So this was a beautiful candle to trade off with. Also on the weekly chart, if you could have opened a position as soon as we broke above the close of this candle right here. But let's have a look into the S&P very quickly. The markets haven't opened actually, but if Bitcoin is doing well, that means we could see a bounce from this level. Now this is crucial. If we do bounce, that will be awesome, because this is the support of this huge trend line that we had been forming since the top of the S&P on the 3rd of Jan of last year. Now if we bounce from here, this would be awesome, especially with volume, because that would indicate a confirmation of this breakout and could set our targets to 4,180 again, and we would have to see what's happening then. But if we have a look at the DXY looks still bullish with the oscillators, right? We are seeing a mini reversal, but I do think we will see some continuation over here, and that's why, Bitcoin is heading towards the upside currently. But if we have a look into the 4-hourly chart on the DXY, we are above the EMA ribbons. We are seeing a mini little reversal and we are forming this broadening wedge, by the way, and we are reversing from the resistance of the broadening wedge. So this is pretty interesting. On the 4-hourly, it doesn't look super. On the daily, it doesn't look super bullish. It does look a little overextended, but the 103 is pretty critical. So if we don't bounce from there, then yeah, Bitcoin could have another mini little run. I'm going to show you the liquidations very quickly and the funding rate. So if we have a look at the funding rate, we can see that it's a little bit of a mix. So it's a little bit of a uncertain time. But if we look at the liquidations, we have had a lot of short liquidations in the past 4 hours, and in the last 24 hours we had $62 million in liquidations. But guys, also make sure to check out my Telegram group chat. Man, I should have updated you guys with some of these things that I mentioned, but again, this conference was super busy, and then the weekend was crazy as well, but I'll do my best. In the next couple of days, I'll be having some very cool videos dropping also very soon, so make sure to turn that notification bell on. But guys, thanks so much for watching. I'm CryptoKid, and have a nice day, and I'll see you in the next video, hopefully tomorrow. So take care and bye bye.